Hello dear students, welcome in virtual classroom. Let's facilitate learning. Today we are back with again new exciting information, new concept, mind mapping. Standard 12th subject English. Today we are learning this new concept with an interesting information. In the earlier e-lecture, we already have discussed icebreakers activities. Now in this lecture, you will come to know the weightage given by state board to this question. What is mind map? Advantages of mind mapping and the 5 essential characteristics of mind mapping with pictorial examples. Now, mind mapping is the question which have a particular place. The question will be question number 2C. And the marking scheme of the question is total 3 marks are allotted for this question into 2 sub points. First one, covering all points for 2 marks, and for presentation 1 mark is there. So overall 3 marks are allotted for mind mapping in board exam paper. Now what is mind map? Mind map is a graphical way to represent ideas and concepts. A mind map is highly effective way of getting information in and out of your brain. It is a creative and logical means of note taking and note making that literally maps out your ideas. All mind maps have some things in common. They have a natural organizational structure that radiates from the center and uses lines, symbols, words, colors, and images according to simple, brain friendly concepts. Mind mapping converts a long list of monotonous information into a colorful, memorable, and highly organized diagram that works in line. And this structure that radiates from the center and uses lines, symbols, and colors make a perfect picture, gives a perfect idea before reader. Now, mind mapping converts a long list of monotonous information into a colorful and memorable and highly organized diagram that works in line with your brain's natural way of doing things. Now let's try to understand what mind map is in great detail. A mind map is a diagram used to visualize different ideas. It shows relationships among pieces of the whole. It is often created around a single concept drawn as an image in the center. Main ideas are connected directly to the central concept. Other ideas branch out from those major ideas. Mind mapping is a tool for the brain that captures the thinking that goes on inside your mind. It helps to think, to collect information, to remember, and to create ideas. It tests our thinking capability. The brain thinks by imagination, association, and connection. The connections are essential for remembering and thinking. it helps to summarize information in a very systematic way. Now, what is mind mapping? Mind mapping is a graphical way to present ideas. It is visual thinking tool in which analytical and artistic ideas are put together. Mind mapping enables our brain to recall. Mind map is information where it is neatly structured. Now, what are the advantages of mind mapping, or what is the importance of it? So, first of all, it explores new ideas and concepts. It activates our thoughts to flow freely. Mind map focuses on keywords and ideas. It gathers brainstorm ideas, memorizes information, retention. It creates presentations. It executes group projects, increases creativity and productivity. Mind map improves writing, and most important thing, it makes learning interesting. Now, there are 5 essential characteristics of mind mapping. Let's try to understand it first. So, which are the 5 characteristics of mind mapping? First one, the main idea, subject or focus is crystallized in a central image. Second, it emphasizes the key thought. Third, the main themes radiate from the central image as branches associates. Fourth, the branches comprise a key image or keyword drawn or printed on its associated line. And fifth, the branches form a connected nodal structure. And finally, when we put all these things, we get a final diagram of mind map. Now, one simple way to understand a mind map is by comparing it to a map of a city. The city center represents the main idea. The main roads leading from the center represents the key thoughts in your thinking process. The secondary roads or branches represents your secondary thoughts, and so on. Special images or shapes can represent landmarks of interest or particularly relevant ideas of your thinking. And because the mind map constructively uses the tools of imagination, association, and location, as well as the tools of left and right brain, you can consider the mind map the ultimate thinking tool that incorporates all the significant and potent ways of thinking into its own structure. Now, the mind map is made even more powerful by the use of all the left and right brain thinking tools, which enhance the clarity, structure, and organization of your thinking. And because the mind map is constructively uses the tools of imagination, association, and location, it helps you to depict all your thoughts easily on the paper. We already have studied the importance and advantages of mind mapping. So this is very interesting concept which is added in our new design textbook. In this way today we have tried to understand mind map in easier way. We will meet in the next video with new information. Thank you.